Okay, and then here's number 10. Again, another one that sometimes people struggle with. Remember, for this one, you're still dealing with degrees because we haven't changed the stipulations next to the problem, which is a little confusing because you see the pi over 4 and you might immediately think radians. So we're going to have cosine of pi over 4x equals negative 1/3. Okay, so we take the inverse cosine of both sides. We get pi over 4x equals the cosine inverse of negative 1/3. So remember, because it's the cosine inverse of negative 1/3, we're looking for that angle that gives us a cosine of negative 1/3. So basically, where is the cosine negative? In quadrant 2 and 3. Okay, so again, you're going to use your calculator. Make sure you're in degrees, okay, because we're not in radians. I know that's weird. To find the cosine inverse of negative 1/3. And the calculator will give you 109.471 degrees. Sorry, come on, blurries. Just, it's fine. There we go. Okay, so that 109, again, not drawn to scale. That's our angle, quadrant 2 angle. Now we got to find that angle in quadrant 3. Again, there's many ways that you could go about doing this. Actually, I can get a new color today. All right, so the way that I think about it is, well, let me find this missing piece right there. If I know that this angle is 109.471, I know all the way to pi there, that's 180 degrees. So this right here, that purple piece, that has to be 70.529 degrees. Sorry, my computer just shut off. Okay, as would this angle here be the same. So what are you doing to find this angle that I need? I'm doing 180 plus the 70.52 degrees. And so that gives you, I ran out of room there, your quadrant 3 angle, which is going to be 250.529 degrees. And you could keep going, but in this case, it's not necessary because you'll see that our two answers will be between 0 and 360. So when you divide both sides by pi over 4, or multiply by 4 divided by pi, so that 109.471, that's going to give you 139.383 degrees. And the 250.529 degrees divided by pi over 4, that's going to give you 318.983 degrees. And those are your two answers.